Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a pretty cool Chrome extension that I built a few months back, and this is the Anypoint Chrome extension, as you can see it here. So you can actually go and type in the browser Google Anypoint, Chrome extension, and you should be able to actually grab this first link, and you'll see it here. All right. And I want to show you who actually looks like when you use it inside the portal. So let's go straight into Anypoint platform. I'm gonna just take one trial account that I have, and I'm gonna show you what happens here. So immediately I get into Runtime Manager, and as you can see, I'm in the sandbox environment. And if I grab the extension here, so it's this icon with the MuleSoft black icon, and if I click on it, there's a few things that are happening here. So first, you see is grabbing the bearer token or the access token that is stored on the local store, and it kind of tells you in which company you are, right? So right now my company is Moran, and this is my access token. And because I am in a trial account, is actually having a countdown number here. So this is the number of days that I have until my account expires. So I have track of that, right? At this point, it's just 23 days until my trial ends. Then you should be able to see environment ID and the name of the environment that you are in which case, in this case, is Sandbox, organization ID. And if I click on these values, you see the values are copied into your clipboard, so you are able to use them before. Why we have this information right here? And this is because we most of the time, or we sometimes are trying to make API requests using Postman or I don't know, an API client. So what the actual API, if you want to consume some of those endpoints, is going to ask you for a bearer token, environment ID, and organization ID. So you should be able to grab them from here, just like that. And we should be able to see some of the some links here, so you actually can go directly to the system status, and if anything is not going okay, or if there's any issue happening on the status page, you'll see it here. Only errors for now. And in the general information, we have a couple buttons here too, so you can actually export all the Cloud Hub applications that you have deployed, and you should be able to export all the hybrid ones too. In order to do that, for example, you just click this link, and you'll see here that it got the CSV file with all the applications for cloud. And if I do the same for export hybrid, well, in this case, it seems like something is not right, but sometimes it just requires to make a refresh, and there you go. So you have it there. Now, another thing that we have here while we are in the Runtime Manager page is you have a direct link to MuleSoft community and Data with Playground. So you directly can go there and just access to these external links. Now I have a couple applications deployed. I have one for hybrid and I have one in Cloud Hub. So if I click on the Cloud Hub one, you see this has a poller and it's just running every couple minutes. And I'm able to open the Chrome extension here too and see the name of the application, see the status, in which environment, or in which, if it's Cloud Hub or hybrid, right, where is deployed. And we have here a button that says download artifact. So if I click on this one, actually what is happening, as you see here, is downloading the actual asset. Sometimes this is a pain. Sometimes you have to go to settings and just click on the name. So I'm just trying to save some few clicks here. So you'll see it's already downloaded. you should be able to see as well the schedulers that you have in the application. So in this case, we have the polar sample, and this is enable, and it's running every couple minutes. If I go directly into the link, you see that we got redirected to the same scheduler configuration. And also going back, if there's any alert linked to this application, we'll see the actual alerts here too. Now let's go back into the hybrid part, and hybrid happens pretty much the same. So you'll see here a polling polar flow is enabled and is polling the frequency a couple minutes. This is because Anypoint API returns different things for cloud and hybrid, and we are kind of calling both in the same time. Well, in case we need to from the list, but it's different, right? So, and same thing here, schedulers and alerts, and that's pretty much that. So, as you can see, the Chrome extension is pretty simple. It's still, you can just grab whatever you need from here and simplify part of the work. I'm kind of curious to see what people think about it, and actually getting more feedback to know what other features you think this Chrome extension should have. Do you like the extension? You don't like it? And again, that'll be nice to have a pool of features that I can hit just for make it a better. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have. Thank you so much for watching.